Hey everybody, welcome to Billie Jean So Gorgeous. Yes, you read it right. This is my first makeup video. I know you guys are so excited. I've been getting a lot of requests because everybody know my makeup be on fleek, period, poo. Yes, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a smoky eye. But before we start, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you can join the gorgeous gang. Y'all know we on that gang beep all day, period.
Woo! Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more.
So I'm starting with a fresh face. I already did my eyebrows as well as my eyelashes. And oh my gosh, my skin is giving right now. Period, poo. First thing you need is concealer or primer. But in my case, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And then you're just going to blend that out evenly.
Don't work at Mac, but I'll beat a bitch face. In a foreign car, like, do you want to race?
Next, I'm going to be using my eyeshadow palette called the Beauty Book. You can start with whatever light color you want, but I would suggest like a white, silver, or yellow shade because this is what's going to go under your base color. That's going to make it pop out more and contrast even more with the smoky eye.
Freak bitch, he can see it in my face. Blow up my phone cause he said he wanted.
Alright, so when you're all done, then choose your base color. I have to think so hard. I'm going to go with pink. As always.
30 clip blowing off your toupee. 30-inch bitch, watch how I slay. Get dismissed, I don't got time today. Anastasia, my bitch from Beverly. It's gonna stay cause it's urban decay. No makeup on and I can still take your place. Little bitch, don't work at Mac, but I'll beat a bitch face. In a foreign car, like, do you wanna race? I smoke OG, you can see it in my face. Blue hundreds on me, who gon' make some shake? You a dummy if they eat up off your plate. Fuck up the beat, then I go and beat my face. I'm the party, kiss my ass if I'm late.
Ooh, that's so pretty. Pink never disappoints. All right, so next we are going to choose our transition color. I'm going to go with a dark brown.
Watch me get that cash, bitch, don't worry about my past, bitch. Cause every move I make it better than the last, bitch.
Ooh, looking beautiful. So when you're done with your transitional color, you're going to start smoking. For this, I'm going to use black, but you can use whatever you want. It just depends on your desired smokiness.
And her trunk is as big as a boombox, and a clip longer than a motherfucking tube sock. Ooh. Yeah. They playing poker, they bluffing. I flex on that bitch, it ain't nothing. No care about the season, no cuffing. I'm only cuffing that money. She'll do it all for 100. She hop on that dick like a bunny. Walk up on him, now we running. And on my music, she be bumping. But she hating cause she ugly. That clip of 50, he keep dumping. Bitch, I turn nothing to something. My pockets fat just like a pumpkin. I put the money in a duffel. I don't know you, I can't trust you. No fast break, I got.
All right, now we are done looking sexy, but there's something missing. Oh yeah, lip gloss and eyeliner. If you guys want me to show you how I wing my eyeliner, let me know down in the comments below. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay gorgeous. Mwah.
About my past, bitch, cause every move I make it better.